Imagine this. You're on live TV. A host asks, "How's the market today?" You have 10 seconds. No script, no hesitation. Could you answer clearly, fast, and naturally in English? Today, I'll teach you 8 sentence patterns that TV analysts, journalists, and fund managers use to summarize markets professionally in real time. Welcome back to English with Bruce, where we make business English sound global, confident, and crystal clear. Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss your weekly English power boost. Today's lesson, how to speak like a market analyst. 1. Opening summary pattern, the big picture. Patterns. Markets were up, down, mixed today as reason. Global markets ended higher, lower, amid context. Use the patterns like this. Markets were up today as investors cheered softer inflation data. Global markets ended lower amid renewed geopolitical tensions. 2. Stock market movement pattern. Patterns. The index rose, fell by number percent to close at level. The index finished higher, lower for the X straight session. Use the patterns like this. The S&P 500 rose by 0.8% to close at 4,250. The Kospi finished lower for the third straight session. 3. Sector or industry highlight pattern. Patterns. The industry field sector-led gains, driven by reason. Industry stocks came under pressure due to factor. Use the patterns like this. The energy sector led gains, driven by rising oil prices. Tech stocks came under pressure due to weak earnings guidance. 4. Bond and rate context pattern. Patterns. Treasury yields rose, fell the number percent as investors reacted to event. Bond markets signaled optimism, caution about reason. Use the patterns like this. Treasury yields rose to 4.5% as investors reacted to the jobs report. Bond markets signaled caution about future growth. 5. Currency and commodity pattern. Patterns. The currency traded at number per dollar after event. Oil prices rose, fell to number a barrel on reason. Use the patterns like this. The Korean won traded at 1,501 per dollar after the Fed's comments. Oil prices rose to $85 a barrel on supply concerns. 6. Investor sentiment pattern. Patterns. Investors remained optimistic, cautious ahead of event. Data, news supported market sentiment. Use the patterns like this. Investors remained cautious ahead of the Fed meeting. Strong retail sales data supported market sentiment. 7. Economic data pattern. Patterns. Data showed that indicator rose, fell, number percent in term, period, date. Country's economy grew number percent last quarter, beating expectations. Use the patterns like this. Data showed that inflation rose 3.2% in October. China's economy grew 4.8% last quarter, beating expectations. 8. Closing or outlook pattern. Patterns. Looking ahead, investors will focus on upcoming event. Analysts expect markets to remain volatile, stable until reason. Use the patterns like this. Looking ahead, investors will focus on next week's inflation report. Analysts expect markets to remain volatile until the rate policy becomes clearer. To sound like a professional TV analyst, structure your summary like this. 1. Market direction. 2. Key index movement. 3. Sector highlight. 4. Economic or policy context. 5. outlook statement. Each part equals one sentence. In 20 seconds, you'll sound calm, sharp, and globally credible. If this lesson helped you sound more like a market professional, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Next Wednesday, we'll finish this mini-series with how to handle Q&A like a global business commentator, naturally and confidently. This is English with Bruce, helping you sound global, fast, and financially fluent. See you Sunday.